Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. There we go. So what's your name real quick and what's in here?
My name's Brandi. And we have two
Sundown 15s,
Two Sundown U15s, a Smart 5K guitar amp, and a 4-channel DS18 amp.
Okay. Nice. Who built this? You built it?
Me and her husband.
Okay.
Me and my husband and him.
All right. Wow, y'all did all this work too. Was this actually glass?
Yes.
Wow. Is there wood roof or anything, or is it all?
That's fine. Yes.
Is this all wood roof or?
No.
That's for further future. We're planning on it.
Okay. Nice. And do you know like cubic space tuning or SPL or anything?
I think it's 32 hertz.
Yeah, we usually do 32 hertz with
Okay.
it.
Okay. And have y'all tried mounting them regular to see the difference, or has it always been inverted?
No, we had it regular at first,
Okay.
and then we
blew
did
the last
this.
box part.
Really? Okay.
Yes, at our last one.
Oh, okay. And your alternator battery power?
Yes.
Yep. We have upgraded the alt. I think it's a 340 if I'm right.
Okay.
350.
350? 350?
I put it in.
Okay.
Sure, it's 340. I thought it was a 350.
No, 340.
And what vehicle?
It's an Acura MDX.
Any SPL burnt tests, just to know your meter score?
I think we did.
We did one.
We hit a 150.6 hertz.
Yep.
All right. Sweet.
And we're about to go back out there in just a minute.
Okay. How low's the voltage dropping down, you think?
About 12 volts.
12? Okay. Yeah. Nice.
I didn't see it. Look.
I like it. And you still have your back seats?
Yes.
So, a family vehicle. Is this a daily driver or just for? Okay.
We took the third row down. We still have it, but it's down
Okay.
for that. But we keep this one in.
Got it. Okay. And is it at 1 ohm, the amplifier? It is? Okay. Nice.
Yeah, with the subs running backward, inverted, we had instead of positive going in the positive on the amp, you positive in the negative and negative in the positive.
Because they're dual 2s? Or no, dual 1 or dual 4?
I think they're 2 ohms wired down to 1 ohm, but when you invert them, they push down. If you wire them the same, like when you do, instead of inverting them, when you invert them, you wire them backwards so it pulls instead of pushes.
Okay, kind of like your phase reverse.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay. I know what you mean. Got it. Good daily driver too. And you broke a 150. All right. Is there a way I can see under the hood real quick? Sorry about that. I like to see everything. And it says Joker CC. Yeah, I would love to hear it. Sure.
Ready?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
should've made me weak. Somehow I rose through the ashes, unscarred and streaked it. I put it on my father, no matter how hard his life can get. I'm gonna rock this son of a bitch, and I'm no longer taking any shit.
Thank you very much for the demo. Wow, nice to meet you. It was clipping a little bit.
It ain't working.
Yeah.
That's the one that's working.
I didn't see a clip.
Nice. Thank you for showing me. What was y'all's name?
Brandi.
Brandi? And
I'm Eric.
all right, Eric. Hey, thanks for the demo. Good job. I like it. Good luck with the meter. Let it cool off and do it again. Yep. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.